Hello everyone, welcome to Bhavna Thoughts once again. Hope you all are doing great. And today our section is about selection of a right keyword. Again, this is a session to lecture to under search engine optimization. That is nothing but select a right keyword. Okay. In the earlier sessions, we have already discussed is that how to optimize a search engine. What are the factors which are matters and which doesn't matters to optimize. So among those all factors, we have told you that keyword selection or key phrase selection, optimizing for key phrase is very vital factor and most important part of optimizing your website or your product in the search engine result page. So whenever you're optimizing some keyword or key phrase, never think in an consumer point of view. We have producer and consumer or seller point of view. Never ever think in a seller point of view. Always try to think in a visitor or user point of view. So don't optimize the keywords that you like or you think that is very widely associated with your product. Suppose you are selling a marker and you have a very fabulous idea to present your or preserve your marker point or nib, and if you want to optimize for marker itself, then that doesn't make any sense. So if you are also providing some special cap for point of your marker apart from the main cap, so if you can optimize for few more words like cap, cover, point, nib, all these words, then there will be more views for your website than only for market. And again, don't try to shoot your own benefits of your product down to the knowledge of the customer. Don't always tell how the product is useful to you and your benefits and your product benefits. Always try to make educated the SEO and the user as well how to use the product and what is the benefits for them after using that product. Better understand exactly what visitor is searching for and what he is looking for. Always try to educate them by showing your uniqueness. There are a lot of products or your competitors in the market area. So what is your uniqueness? Why the user should come to your website itself apart from other? So what is the speciality of your product? How you are going to show benefit for them for using your ABC marker or something? So these things you have to protrude out. Always try to educate them, show your uniqueness. Why should they care about you and why should they land on your homepage? This is what exactly user will be looking for or a search engine looking for as well. Suppose, take an example, if a visitor is searching for a pen, he want to buy some pen and he clicks some link on some other website which will directly redirect to your website. I already told you this is called hyperlinking. And if you are, suppose you are selling an ABC marker. Marker is also a kind of pen. Okay, so definitely you will hyperlink your website for some other pen keyword which is in some other website. So no matter someone visiting that pen website will be redirecting to your website. Okay, but if you sell marker and you don't optimize for pen and you tell why the marker is good, the visitor gets confused. He may get frustrated. He will never get back to your website again. So this will cause what does this cause? I already told you if a user opens the website and immediately he closes, that will increase your bounce rate. Okay, the bounce rate if is high for your website, definitely it will last. It will nowhere visible in the search engine result page. So be very careful with the bounce rate. At least a visitor should stay 1 minute 30 seconds on your website to have a healthy view rate, or else definitely the website will be going to a bounce rate. So if you are selling a marker and you are optimizing a pen and you are telling about the benefits of the pen, does a visitor or a user show interest? He will be getting frustrated. Suppose I want to buy a bicycle and if I visited some other website and they are telling about cars, do I show the interest? I definitely think that is a fraud site. I will never look back to that site. So always be very careful. Your visitor might get frustrated for these kind of tactics. Optimize for marker and tell the strengths of your marker. Why ABC marker is good? Why is it benefit? How is it benefit to you? Try to educate your viewers or customers with these concepts, so definitely they will show interest, and they will definitely be thinking of, okay, I might use a marker is kind of a pen, okay, I'll have a marker. They will come to this perception. This strategy will always help you to gain new visitors. This kind of search is called referral search. Referral. And it also comes under an organic search. How I'll tell you it. By long tail keywords. Keywords are basically two types, like broad keywords and long tail keywords. Suppose ABC marker is my marker, and I am selling water based markers. Okay, my company have water based markers, glycerin based markers, alcohol based markers, all these kind of markers we are selling. ABC is selling. So, if someone is searching for water-based marker, that is a broad keyword, and he don't know exactly. See, he want a water. Suppose let us think he want a water-based marker, which is for whiteboard and which is not permanent. That is erasable marker. Okay, there are two types again: permanent marker and erasable marker. Suppose someone is searching for water-based marker, which is like for whiteboard, non-alcoholic, and erasable. So all these he can't type in. He can't go to the search engine and type all these things. So if he start typing a broad keyword, he should find all the relevant long tail keywords. So whatever you are indexing, so if you are optimizing for a marker, try to optimize for all these kind of long tail keywords. Okay, then definitely, whenever a person is typing for, see, if he's typing for pen, your website will be get you. There are chances that your website might rank first. If he's typing for alcohol, there are chances that your website may be shown there. So these are the suggestions which will be given by the search engine as a long tail keyword when you're typing for, when you're looking for closer results. Okay, see, look into this slide. A long tail keywords are mostly specific keyword phrases that visitors are mostly looking for when they're closer to the point of purchase. Means white based marker is the closer to point of purchase, but requirements like erasable and for whiteboard, all these are extra aspects which he want but he can't type. So you are indexing a marker for all these kind of keywords, then that will be a huge value for your keyword if you know how to use them in a proper way. See, a water based marker appears if you only index for marker. Will it be possible to appear in the top position in the search engine result page? Definitely no, because though it is an organic search, for the only keyword marker, you'll be having a lot of competition, because your competitors in the marketplace were also struggling for the same position in the SEO. Okay, they are also struggling for the same top position in the result page, search engine result page. So how can you be unique among them? So definitely, giving a marker as a main keyword doesn't make any sense. It might get optimized, but it will be in some other third page or fourth page or fifth page. Who will go to the third and fourth pages? People will not go to the last position in the first page itself. So how could you expect that they will go to second page and third page and fourth page? Highly impossible task. So first four positions in the search engine result page in the page one is vital and very important. Either it may be a paid search or an organic search or an referral search, whatever it may be. But those four positions takes a vital role and plays a very important play in the optimization. So to come into that position, indexing with marker or optimizing with marker is not sufficient at all. If you are using some long tail keywords like see, water based marker with a mixture of water and glycerin, like unlike alcohol based or solvent based, which is erasable. So if you can use these kind of phrases, long tail phrases or keywords, definitely these particular words like glycerin, water, alcohol, solvent, erasable, permanent marker, all this will also come under like indexing concepts, and they will also get indexed, they will also get optimized for your specific keyword, and there is a huge valuable or huge response for your own website through these keywords. Okay, whenever we can take conversation rate versus cost and risk. Cost and risk versus conversation rate in a graphical way, if you want to represent that in a graphical way, here you can see if there is a low cost, if you are putting low cost, there is a kind of risk and low conversation. If you're putting low cost on optimizing keywords, there is chances of high risk and low conversation. If you're not putting cost, there is no proper response, the website is not visible, the keyword is not getting optimized, and there is a risk of getting down in the CRP, and conversation will definitely get low. And if you're putting some penny, if you're putting some penny to optimize your keyword, if you're investing something on your keyword, definitely there will be a good conversation rate. The competition will also be good for your website. If there is a good competition, then only you can survive. Without a competition, if there are two people in a running race, okay, then only you will be first. If you are only participating in the running race, you are not first and you are not first. There is no good and bad and pros and cons in your performance. So have a healthy competition. Try to have a healthy competition. Defeat in the competition. Stay top. Then only that shows your uniqueness. This is what a marketing need actually. So whenever you compare a cost versus risk and conversation rate in an X and Y axis, and if you plot a graph on that, definitely low cost on keyword investment, there will be high risk and low conversation rate. And if you're putting high cost, then the risk will be very low and the conversation rate will be high, and you will be having a very good response for your website. And the next is never optimize for a single keyword. Don't stuck on only for marker. Who want that? What if you are selling a marker? Does marker is sufficient? No. Single keyword is not at all sufficient to getting top in SERP. Always try to optimize for keywords or like hundreds and thousands of permutation keywords. Let me explain you what a permutation exactly. Suppose there are three ways of writing something. Suppose A, B, C. They are the three letters. How can you write those A, B, C letters in three different ways? A, B, C, B, A, C, C, B, A. These are three ways of writing those letters. This is called permutation. If you want me to explain in my particular my example, like my marker example, I will explain you. I am selling a water based marker for whiteboard. Suppose this is my keyword, long tail keyword, water based marker for whiteboard. This is one way of writing, water based marker for whiteboard, whiteboard water based marker, water based whiteboard marker. These are the three different ways of writing that line. So if these long tail optimization for one mode or one phase will give you improved ranking for many more. Got it? So if I optimize for marker, whiteboard, erasable, permanent, like this, I have n number of permutations. So for all these long tail optimization, I will be getting an improved ranking, not only for simple marker. Got it? Yeah. The next is have a tool. Have a look at your website traffic after performing all these kind of activities after a specific period. Just have a glance of your website traffic. Definitely you'll be taken to a surprise that longer phases will go up than the shorter one. Someone will be searching for water-based marker for whiteboard, which is erasable. That gives a long response for your traffic, response of traffic for your website than only marker keyword. Behold the longest styles. By optimizing for one phase, you can really optimize for six longer ones. That's what I told you exactly. Water-based marker for whiteboard, whiteboard water-based marker, water-based whiteboard marker. These are three different ways. Like that, you can also optimize for six different ways if you are taking a healthy long tail keyword. Even though you don't move up in the ranking for the target phase, you will be moving up for these other phases which brought a lot of traffic, and they will definitely meet your requirement of your target audience. And these long tail keywords work for two reasons. Actually, I would like to specify these two reasons because you can optimize for many of them at once, not multiple times. You can optimize many keywords at once by directly focusing on the short phase. And user who visit your website from long tail phases are generally better target audience because they know what they want. They are very clear. They want a water-based marker which is erasable and which is for whiteboard. They are very clear and very specific for their search. And after clicking on that, if they are redirecting to your site, that definitely means that you are providing the perfect requirements. So there is no point of looking back. What they want is with you, and it's up to you how you convince them. So first target is a user should land on our homepage. If he is coming to our homepage, then we can convince him and convert him as our customer. First, he should come to us. The way of attracting him to come to our web page is this long tail keyword. So once he visits our page, then he is in our hand. We are not going to lose him. Then we will try to use some specific tactics or tricks, or he want to meet their requirements, make a conversation with him or her, and we will convince him to take our product or buy our product. That is second part. First part is he should come to our website. That is the main thing. Unless and until he come to our website, how will he buy? How will he know that our website is good and our ABC marker is good? That is the point, right? So first thing is he should visit our website. So what should we do for that? This long tail key phrases. Long tail key phrases again with proper optimization with the main phrase. If you are optimizing for one page, definitely 6 to 8 keywords should get optimized. And once a user check further, suppose if you types in permanent, definitely you should get back to your permanent marker website. That is the way how you index. Whatever the relevant words he is typing, he should definitely will should comment to land on your page. Then the target audience will be healthy target audience. They are called healthy and better and actual proper target audience. They are your users. Don't lose them at any cost. This means you want they want exact they know what exactly they want to buy, and you are providing the same thing. This is a healthy search and healthy selling and buying process. Next is finding a right tool. So we want a right tool for optimizing a keywords. Okay, I have a lot of keywords in my brain, but all that doesn't work actually. I want a proper and correct keyword to optimize tool to optimize my keyword. It is nothing but we have a few keywords which several companies have launched, and using these keyword services, considering the pros and cons of the SEO and to focus on the target audience. I'll tell you what the keywords are. SEMrush is a kind of keyword. I'll tell you, SEMrush is a search engine tool that does your keyword research, whatever the keyword you want. Actually, it will do the keyword research, tracks the keyword strategy used by the competition, runs an SEO audits and logs, looks for backlinking opportunities, and a lot more. SEMrush is trusted by internet marketers all over the world. It is also used by a number of business people widely. See, I'll show you the SEMrush website. Um, See, this is a SEMrush website. Go to your SEO, type SEMrush, open that one. Yes. See, this is a world's number one marketing tool for free, and you have a 7 day free trial. Go for it and just log in with your details. I have already entered my details, I hope so. Yes, skip the trial period. Directly go to the homepage of that tool, and here we go. Uh, Here we have a lot of options in the index bar like SEO, search engine optimization, like SEO dashboard, domain overview. The domain you see .com is a domain, .in is a domain. Like that, the domain you are using, what is the response for your domain? What is uh, the traffic analytics of your website? Organic search means like someone is directly going to the search engine box and they're searching for your product. That is an organic search. And keyword gap. Does the gap required between the particular keywords? Does the gap make any sense? Does that gap brings you a lot of traffic for your website? All these will be a mandatory aspects. It will be told by SEMrush tool. Next is basic gap, basic backlinking gaps. Next is keyword overview, keyword magic tools, keyword manager, organic traffic insights. What are the insights to the organic traffic? All this will be demonstrated by this SEMrush. You have another option like advertising through a keyword, social media marketing, content marketing, and the keywords used should be used for social media and content marketing, and competitive research aspects as well in this SEM rush. So this is how the SEMrush will be used for us in optimizing a particular keyword. See here I have taken an example of marker and I have demonstrated, and you can look back to this slide and I have a screenshot for you. Just go through it, and the same way you can optimize for your specific keyword. Okay. The next is SEO profiler. SEO profiler, the same thing. Go to the Google and type HTTPS seoprofiler.com domain. So what this SEO profiler do actually? It's a web application mostly that helps you to get high ranking on Google and other search engines as well. With high rankings on search engines, you will be getting more visitors, more consumers, more sales, and proper target audience. So I'll also explain you how this SEO profiler works. Let's get back to the Chrome. Yes, see this. This is an SEO profiler. Same, go to the Google, type SEO profiler, and you'll be getting the first link here. Click on it. See, this is the home page of an SEO profiler. Okay, I have already sorry, I have already entered my login details. If you haven't entered it, if you haven't signed in for an account, sign up for an account and log into this. So here you find your account details. Like you have to create a number of projects, and you have to create your account details and your settings and all. You can make your personal settings of your website here. And second is how to monitor the ranking. Always I told you, search engine will be using different algorithms and programs to update the ranks for updated results. Okay, they will be keep on updating their algorithms, so the results will be changing eventually. So you have to make a consistency of ranking. So you have to keep an eye, you have to keep monitoring of your website rank every week actually. So go for it. How to monitor this? SEO profiler will be helping you to monitor your website ranking. It will show the overview, how to monitor your keywords, whether the keywords are proper or not, or there is a change, you need any change of keywords. Ranking pages, keyword targets, result types, monitored URLs. URL is also a mandatory concept in optimization. So you have to monitor your URL as well. Sometimes URL gets spammed, so be careful with URLs as well. Opportunities you are having in your market area, alerts. If you're having any threats and alerts, it will be showing you the alerts as well. Content gaps, whether your content requires any gap or not, whether the content is apt or not. All these will be told by these content gaps. Keyword suggestions. If you want any better keywords, definitely this tool will help you to suggest a new and better keywords as well. SCV exports and CSV export, PDF report. You'll be getting a CSV format of export and PDF format of export of your report. Okay, so that you can download it and you can use it for your further analysis. Next is audit web pages. You have an audit web page here. The same thing. Audit web pages overview, files, content topics, performances, security data. All right, the technologies you are using for this and devices and everything, exporting settings. Again, the PDF report of all these audit reports will be converted into a PDF and will be given to you. Analyze the links. What are the backlinks used? What are the redirected links used? What are the anchor links used? And from which word you are being have been redirected to your website? All these link details will be displayed here. How to build a link, optimize your web pages, finding the keywords, monitoring, servering up, like server uptime. If you have all things with you and if your server is very low, that is a very big headache task again. So you have to monitor your server also as well, because every time, suppose for small things, if you go to an ATM or something, server is low. Server is low. If you go to a bank and if you want something to withdraw, they say server is low. Why the server is low? The website is used by n number of people at the same point of time. For that reason, server gets low. If n number of people are opening the website at the same time, the server gets low. So, what to do? How to optimize it? All these things will be discussed in the server uptime. How to uplift your service. Analyze competition ads. Create client reports. Everything you can go here and you can discuss. Okay. Let's get back to our slide. This is nothing but SEO profiler. Here I have optimized for my marker. So I got the details of my marker. You can also go to your product and you can optimize for your products and know the details of your keyword, how good it is, how good response it is having in the market area. The next one is nothing but word tracker. Word tracker is also such kind of better tool which is used by many companies. This always talks about other competitors. See, knowing about our product is how much important. In the same way, knowing about our competitor is also most important in marketing. Actually, what I believe is after knowing your competitor, think what to do. Because if you know your competitor very well, definitely you will know your updates and what to do and what not to do with your product. So know your competitor very well. To know your competitor, Word Tracker is a very good tool in this keyword optimization, and it will tell about the competitor keyword in depth about pay per click concepts. Okay, in depth about SEO insights, data from the Google, how to use data from the Google, how our own Pati and search technology is used. Okay, all this will be taught by Word Tracker. And see this, this is the Word Tracker actually. Okay, here you will be having all. Suppose here the example is taken as hotel, and if you have taken example for markers with alcohol, water based marker again. Water based is one. Water based marker is another keyword. Water based whiteboard marker is another keyword. All these I told you permutations. All these are called permutations. And for see each and every permutation, what is the volume of visitors using that? What is the volume of search? And what is the competition in the marketplace? Everything will be shown in a graphical form. So here you can go and you can enter your keyword and you can have the analysis reports. The next is let me tell you. Let me get back to the slide. Yes. The next is all the services are free. All these tools are for free for 1 month or 2 weeks. That's it. Because you, as I already told you in the SEMrush, you have only 7 day of free version. All these tools will provide you free version for only certain point of time, certain period of time. That may be for 1 week or 1 month, not more than 1 month. 1 week or 1 month. That's it for 15 days, if in case. But later on, you need to invest or need to put some penny on that tool in the monthly basis. All these services needs a monthly fee, but they are trust me, they're very good investments for your keyword indexing. All these provides at a glance report showing your keyword demand, competition, quality as well. These three factors are majorly matters because how much demand our keyword is having, what is the competition our keyword is having in the market area, and does our keyword is a quality one or not. To know these three factors, you have to invest some money on these tools, and in the monthly basis, again I'm repeating, in the monthly basis. But these are very very good investments for having a healthy and happy market research. Next is Google AdWords. Google AdWords are not less than all these tools because this is also a major tool which will give a high response. Directly go to the googleadword.com and slash select keyword external tool. Type the face in your key face or keyword in your text box. Click on it and get keyword button. In the results, you will be getting a search performance of your previous month. I mean that specific keyword search performance of the previous month, average search spaces in this month, how good that keyword is used for advertising or AdWords. So you can also use your keywords for advertising. So you can compare the last month analysis and this month analysis, this week analysis, and if you can mark a certain time period, then definitely you can mark the analysis. And you can also have search the traffic details here, Google AdWords, how much traffic you are getting, what is the organic traffic with your domain. All this you can do it with your domain. What is the organic traffic? Every website has a unique domain. Okay, domain and host. If you have, I'll explain about domain and host in my next video. I'll explain in detail about those domain and host. So if you have a proper domain and proper host, you can go to the Google AdWord, you can log into that external tool, you can enter your keyword, and it will definitely tell you how many visitors we have in this week, what is the views of this day, this month, this you can compare with the 2 months, you can compare it with 28 days. Every day analysis, every week analysis, every month analysis. What are the things to be done, what are not to be done, which keyword is healthy for you, which is getting top views, which is getting top for referral, organic, direct, social media views. All these factors in an individual and in comparison, in the both way, you will having a complete analysis with this Google AdWord tool. So this is the best tool if you want to start a healthy marketing research. Okay, this is the thing, and the thing is not over. There are a lot to discuss about keyword optimization, and I'll discuss in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice weekend.